In this video, we will show you 7 useful tricks for your PS5 controller. If you just got your PS5, it's likely you don't know your brand new PS5 controller can do the following. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Trick number 1. There are actually 2 different versions of the PS5 controller, and the first version has massive problems with stick drift. We recommend you first check to see if you have the problematic PS5 controller by checking the FFC ID number on the back of the controller. If this number ends in 1, this is the older PlayStation controller that has stick drift problems. But if it ends in 1A, this is the newer version that has the stick drift issue fixed. Return the PS5 controller if it doesn't say 1A. Trick number 2. You can use the touchpad on your PS5 controller as a mouse cursor to navigate around the keyboard. That can make it quicker to type out a message. You can even take things a step further by clicking the L3 and R3 thumbsticks together to enable the gyroscope. And now you can move your controller around to write out the message. Cool, right? Trick number 3. Instead of using the D-pad to navigate the PS5 menu, you can get to settings much faster by just hitting the triangle when on the PS5 main menu. This will take you right to settings. This trick even works on the PlayStation Store. Instead of using the D-pad to get to the search bar, just hit triangle and it will take you straight there. Trick number 4. You can quickly mute all sound from your TV and PS5 controller by holding down the microphone mute button for a few seconds. This will mute the TV speakers, controller speaker, as well as the haptic feedback. Press the microphone mute button again to bring everything back to normal. Trick number 5. Put your PS5 DualSense controller into pairing mode by holding down the PS button and share button for a couple seconds. Now this allows you to connect it to your iPhone or iPad. Trick number 6. If you want to power down your PS5 controller, simply press down and hold the PS button for 10 seconds, and it will shut down your DualSense controller. This will save you from jumping around on the menus. Trick number 7. Download the DS4 software to your PC and connect your PS5 DualSense controller. Not only can you map your buttons using this software, but it will also give you complete control over the RGB lights on the light bar of the PS5 controller, so you can display the full array of colors it's capable of. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.